If you have a cat, you already know, scooping litter every single day and cleaning the litter box is the worst part of owning the pet. Now imagine never scooping again, not once. That's why this is going to be interesting. Today I'm testing the PetPivot AutoScooper 12 Lite, a self-cleaning litter box that's actually affordable. My cats and I are very interested to test it out, so let's start with the unboxing. Alright, let's open this up and see what you actually get. Inside the box you have got the main litter unit, waste drawer, plastic bags that can be used in the waste drawer. We also have small legs that snap into the bottom, a power adapter and instruction manual. Setup is honestly super simple. So you basically only need to snap the main components together like this. Snap these small legs into the bottom to make it stand. Insert the waste drawer and attach the small ladder so your cat can climb in easily. And your cat's favorite litter. Plug it in and that's it. No apps, no Wi-Fi, no weird setup progress required. If you have never used the automatic litter box before, this is about as beginner friendly as it gets. So here's what it looks like in real use. Well, my cats are always curious about new stuff, so they jump into this PetPivot AutoScooper 12 Lite like a normal litter box. Now she knows it's safe, so she does her thing. And then once your cat leaves, the system automatically starts cleaning. This whole cleaning process takes about 2 minutes once they have used it. It kind of goes back and forth a little bit to sift everything and settle the litter evenly. So it's nice and ready for the next use. And I like that it does not start right away. It gives your cat enough time to walk away first, which makes it feel a lot safer and less stressful for them. Once it's done, all the waste goes into this enclosed drawer here, which helps control odor and keeps everything contained. You just pull it out, dump it and slide it back in. Super simple and quick. And honestly, in this whole process, the AutoScooper does not waste litter like I usually do when I scoop manually. So it actually helps save litter over time too. Now let's talk about safety because this part really matters, especially for cat owners. I was a bit concerned about this too at first. So as soon as something gets close, it stops immediately. And that's because the unit uses infrared sensors positioned around the entrance and inside the cleaning area to constantly detect movements. So if your cats come back or even just reach in, it pauses right away. There's also a weight sensor built into the base of the litter box which can detect when your cat is inside or stepping back in. So yes, it actually knows if there's weight inside the box. If it senses any weight during a cleaning cycle, it will stop and won't continue until your cat is fully out. That's what keeps the whole process safe and stress-free for your cat. Alright, here are the main things that stood out to me. First, the price. Most automatic litter boxes are easily $300 to $600. But this one comes in under $150, which makes it way more accessible. Second, safety. The sensors actually work and pulse function kicks in instantly. And third, the design. It's compact, it's open top and it does not feel intimidating for your cats. Well guys, if you want to check it out, I have got a discount code for you. The link is in the description and code is valid for 180 days. So if you're tired of scooping litter every day, this might be worth trying. Hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.